Hi everybody, today I want to show you this car dash cam. It's not really a dash because it goes mounted on the windshield. It's the Fitcamx and it comes in this box. I got a little excited and I started mounting it before I did this presentation. So it's right here, and so after I'm done showing you this right now, I already recorded the installation, so I'll add it on. So right now it's really easy. You just do it like this. Right there. And then this bit of cover goes in here. And it's all set. I will be showing all the wiring and the proper installation in a few minutes, but I just wanted to show you the camera itself. So now that it's all installed, I hope that you guys see that it only took me about 15 minutes. It comes with all the tools you need and it works really nice. It also comes with this mount for your phone. You can put it anywhere. It's long enough so you can put it anywhere you want, and you can adjust it. You can put it in the window, wherever you want, and that way you can see while you're driving the camera, or also when you're at home you can see what's happening outside. Well, not only from home, but if you're in a store or something and you want to see what's going on in front of your car, you can do it. So again, it's seamless. You don't see the camera at all, and it was very easy to mount. So I hope that you guys find it as convenient, as good quality, and as easy to install as I do.